Hey guys, Rob Willey Quick Tools. Just wanted to bring our hammer to the show you guys. We've got magnetic quick change tips on our hammer, and they're very simple, very easy, can be used with anybody's tool tips. They thread on with a 5/16 18 thread, just like everybody else out there carries on their tool tips, and can make it any weight that you want. You can use stainless, you can use plastic, you can use any materials that the tips are made out of on it. It also has another feature that's very nice, and it's the extendable handle on it. You spin it off, spin it back on, flip it over, spin it back on, and it extends by 3 inches, gives you an extra 3 inches of reach whenever you need it on the bedsides or down on the rails or wherever you might need it. It's very handy. We have 2 sizes. We have a 17-inch that grows to a 20-inch, and we also have the 13-inch that grows to a 16-inch. The hammer is a 13-inch hammer, and it is priced at $155. Comes with 2 tips and 4 magnetic adapter caps. The 17-inch hammer comes at $175 price point, and it also comes with the same 2 tips and the 4 adapter caps. Thanks, Christopher, for coming by and letting us show off our tools to all the guys out there and girls out there that are using them. And we appreciate all of the time and all the effort that you guys put into doing the videos and helping us sell our products. And follow us on Facebook at Willey Quick Tools. Thank you.